Hello friends, welcome back to my channel and now you are watching a 3-star hotel. In this video, we provide a detailed explanation of everything you need to know about this hotel like amenities, room category, location, landmark, facilities and reviews also. As you can see on the screen, the hotel location and nearby attractions and landmarks are also provided here. To see more than 1,000 of reviews of this hotel, you can go to agoda.com. Its review rating is 9.1, which is the exceptional room category 1. You can see on the screen room details like room size, bed type, room highlight, facilities, amenities, and images, etc. Room category 2. Room category 3. Room category 4. Room category 5. Room category 6. Room category 7. To discuss the amenities of this hotel, in this hotel, all types of rooms is available on you can book online and enjoy. The location of the hotel is good and place to really enjoy the beautiful surroundings. Check-in time in this hotel is 6 p.m. and check-out time of this property is 12 p.m. There are many deals and offers available online for this hotel, along with different meal plans and payment policies. If you are planning to book, you can use the link provided in the description below. If you have any problem booking a room in this hotel, then you can drop a comment and we will help you. For booking or get more details about this property, please read description box. If you have checked out from this hotel, please share your experience in the comment box. If you are new to this channel or not subscribed yet, then you must subscribe to our